In the name of Allah, hey everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to JPG to PPT converter. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have a JPG and you want to JPG to PPT converter. So to convert the JPG to PPT, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a JPG to PPT document. So click select file and then select the JPG which you want and click open. And here select the Microsoft PPT document format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait JPG to PPT converter. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the PPT file. This is how to JPG to PPT converter. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.